Hey guys, today I just want to do a quick video on how you could extract email addresses from a certain web page. It's pretty simple, but just finished it, figured I'd make a video for it. So just to make it go quick, I've already got it written out here, and I'll just walk you through it. And of course I'll include the code down in the, what do you call it, the details section of the YouTube video. Okay, so starting out, we just have our URL that we want to grab the emails from. So for this test one, I'm just searching a random email address on Google, and we're going to get the email addresses from that page. So you put that URL in the string, and then we're going to get a list of strings from this function here, get emails, that we create. I'll go down and show you that. Of course, we get it's public static list of strings in this get email function, and we take in I guess I should probably change that to just URL. Okay, so we take in the string URL, we create a new web client, and then we're going to grab from that URL all the data and then encode it as an ASCII string. Now what this does basically is lets us get all that HTML from that specific page just in one string that we can then look through and find if anything matches, like the email format. So this thing here is just for this Google specifically, will sometimes like split up their emails by bolding the email, which can mess with how we check for it. So I just replaced all these tags with nothing. And you might need to add something like that, just depending on if your page does anything funky to emails. I guess I can just remove this. So the next thing we do is create a match collection, and then set the collection to regex.matches. And then this is our string that we had from up here, the string of all our HTML, and this is what it's trying to match with, the regex string. And you can just copy this. Basically, this will check and see if it's in the correct email format, and if it is, it will add it to our list. And the next thing is we don't want to select multiple emails, multiple of the same email, and put it in that list. So this is just going to use this link to basically it checks every string and sees if there's a matching string in it and just returns the distinct list. So now we create a new list, found emails, and then for each string, which is each email in distinct, we're going to add it to, well, we make it a string and then we add it to this found email string, and we return that. So after all that's done, we come back up here, and what happens is when we call this get emails, it's going to run all that and put that in this email. So now we have a list of all the emails we gathered. So the next thing I'm doing is just going to write all these emails to a file. So you create your Steam Writer, and this is just where I chose to put it, but you can put it wherever you want your text file to go. Or you can change this too if you want it to go to an SQL, or even just print to a console, whatever you want. So anyways, for each string in emails, we're going to write the line just so we can see all that it grabbed, and then we're going to write it to the file. So let's just test this. We'll try this one first, just this random one. See if it gets anything. Okay, so it looks like we got 6 emails. And just to confirm, check this emails folder, this file it just created, and there's those 6. Let's just try it with something else, just to do another test. Not too complicated. Let's see if we get anything from this. Alright, there we go. Looks like we got a few more. And again, let's check this. There, those are the emails we just got. So it's going to overwrite it. You can write it in a way that it's not going to do that, but just in our purposes, you either need to change the text file name or the location if you don't want it to overwrite. And like, let's say you wanted to do multiple sites at once. I'll just do a quick thing. You could do something like this. Get a string list, URLs, new string list. And then instead of having this string, you're just going to go dot add so this adds it. This will add this URL to the list, and then let's do another one, just like some more random letters, and then we're going to need, let's see, URL. Okay, so then we'll need to do like a for each string URL in URLs. Great. I guess we should move this to outside there too. Okay, so now at this point, for each string here, it's going to run this get emails program and put it into that file. And we can change this to, let's see, let's change it to the name of the site plus URL. Actually, I don't know if that's going to work. Okay, we'll do test plus int count equals 0. Count plus plus. Okay, so alright, let me finish this real quick. Okay, so basically what we got here is it'll put each one in a unique text file based on the count. So the first one will be test 0, test 1, etc. So let's try this and see if it works. I haven't tested this yet, but I mean I wouldn't see there being any problem with it. Okay, so we got, you could see that go. It went 2 different times, kind of a small break in between. There's test 0. Oh wow. Did it not do it? Maybe it overrode it. Am I doing the count at the wrong time? Count increase. Alright, let's try this. Oh, okay, yeah. That's an obvious mistake. Alright, so what it was doing there is each time it was resetting it to 0, and that's why they both got written to the same file. So now we should have, yeah, we got 0 and 1. As you can see there, the 2 different email lists. There's of course a lot more you can do with this. This is just a very simple explanation of how you can actually look through a web page and grab all the emails from it for various reasons. So if you like this video, hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to thumbs up and subscribe, and thanks for watching.